Hello everyone with Maloney Plumbing. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to quickly go over a couple things you guys could do with your website here to get it updated and have it start working better for you. So we'll get started. I've got your website up here. I really like your logo right up here at the top. We've got a quick click to call here. That's wonderful. And a call to action here, contact us. And then immediately we've got different services that you guys offer. Another call to action right here, and again. And then it looks like different offers that you guys have. That's great. It's always wonderful to have reviews and testimonials on this home page. And then the different service areas that you guys go to as well. And then down here in the footer, it's really clean, sleek. We've got your contact information again in different ways for your clients to connect with you. That's awesome. And so your website looks really nice. It's very clean, sleek, and simple. But what Google really cares about on this homepage is the content. And so they want to see you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark of quality command content. Now, in addition to that content, they want to see buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. Those can include things like Plumber, Phoenix, Arizona. And so a buyer intent keyword is just a service that you offer and a service area you offer it in. Now, the reason for this is that when people are searching within Google for your services, they're going to type in these keywords and phrases, and Google's going to send crawlers throughout your website to find those exact words and phrases to match what they're searching for. And then it's going to start to bring your website up to the top because it knows that you can help those folks, right? So we want to have those buyer intent keywords, which lets you know that those folks need your help now, organically sprinkled throughout your content. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so backlinks are just a shout out from another website that lets Google know you guys are trustworthy and relevant. But Google also has to make sure that the people that are giving you those backlinks, those shout outs, are trustworthy and relevant as well. So not all backlinks are created equal. And so this we can see right here, what we're going to look at is your UR and your DR rating. So your UR is your trust rating with Google, your DR is your power rating. We want these numbers to be higher, and we want them to be much closer together. We want about a 1-to-1 ratio difference here. And so these are influenced by your backlinks. The backlinks just come from these referring domains. And so you've got quite a few backlinks at this time, but because these numbers are so far apart from each other, that's letting us know that the referring domains that are giving you those backlinks aren't either as trustworthy, relevant, or as powerful as they could be, so they're not helping you as much as they could be. So if you can get your backlinks updated and the content on this homepage updated, you guys are going to start to rank organically, and that's going to increase that organic traffic to your website. And so I wanted to pull up some of the top competitors that do rank organically. Parker & Sons, their plumbing page is actually outranking you guys organically, and then I've also got Diamondback Plumbing Services. So here's Parker & Sons, and so as we can see, their UR and DR are a little bit closer. They've got much less backlinks than you, but they're obviously doing some good work for them here. The organic traffic they have on their website's pretty good. And then here's the Diamondback Plumbing Group. Again, their UR is high. Their DR is a little lower. They've got quite a few backlinks as well. And their organic traffic is pretty good. But again, we want these numbers to be closer. However, you can visit these guys' referring domains and go through them and utilize them to help you guys as well. And again, that will increase your organic traffic. And so we talk about ranking organically. We're talking about in this area right down here, and we want to be in this first, second, and third position ideally, right? And so increasing that content, improving those backlinks, adding those buyer intent keywords, that homepage is going to help you guys start to show up down here. Because right now you're back on the third page, I believe it is. And most folks don't leave the first page, let alone the second page, to find anybody. So the last area that I'd like to touch on just really quick is this area, the local map pack or Google My Business. And you guys are ranking #1 here, so that's great. So just to note, keep up the good work in this area. How you get ranked here is, of course, having your GBP profile, your Google business profile, and having it filled out completely. So your business's name, address, phone number, hours. Keep getting those Google reviews. Those are awesome reviews that you guys have. If you ever get any questions on here, make sure you're answering those. That'll help you. It looks like you've got a pretty good description here. Make sure you have buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout this as well. And then make sure all your Photos that you upload are geotagged properly and saved with the proper alt text prior to uploading. And then just make sure you guys keep getting your citation out there, which is your business's name, address, and phone number listed in directories, which include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. And because you guys service so many other areas, you can absolutely do that in those same areas and start to increase your business in those places as well by following the same tips on those service pages. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. I look forward to your feedback. Thanks.